Okay, so this is me doing the makeup for the Scarecrow. So I am starting off with the lightest concealer I have. Then I am going with like a light brown color. I am stippling it on. Then I'm going back with a brown with a red color. Then I'm putting black on the corner. And then I'm blending it in between. And then I'm blending it, and then I'm cleaning off the bottom of her eyelid. I'm putting more white, and then I'm putting gold.
So nice and quiet in your house.
And then I'm putting a little bit of orange and applying more red to make it more prominent.
I got some scissors. You need scissors?
Then I'm doing a wing eyeliner. Just very simple. Now I'm doing her eyebrows. I'm kind of doing it more based off her natural eyebrow shape. Do you feel beautiful yet?
I feel lovely.
And now I'm doing freckles. I slowed it to show you that I am twisting my pen to give it a more circular look. And I'm using my fingers to kind of blend it in with the skin, not give it such a harsh look. To give the patch look for her nose and top of her forehead, I used dryer sheet, which kind of also helped mask the smell of the ammonia from the latex. Apply a little bit of latex and then apply the dryer sheet. Then I'll move on to her mouth. Very simple, just lines from the end. Go out as far as you want, and then put X's on the lines. Then I'm putting red on the patches. I'm outlining it with black and putting X's on it to make it look like it was kind of stitched.
Cute. Love it.
Then I cut little pieces of rope to apply on her X's on her mouth to make it look like it was sewn. While I wait for the latex to get tacky, I thought I'd go on and go do the neck. I start just making random lines, and then I do a sketch effect, like the gesture look, like I did for my pumpkin. Then I outline her neckline, or her jawline, sorry. And from that, I bring it down to make it messy and blend it and start making random marks on her neck. Then I smear red on it and put white outlines. So since the latex is tacky, I'm going to put the ropes on it in an X formation.
I'm trying not to smile and like move it.
Right here I am putting glue on an eyelash.
Or a sea bag, or a lake witch, or some kind of water witch. I'm a woman. Oh my gosh, I got eyelashes.
Then I put red on them to make them kind of look irritated. Then I'm going and doing her lips. Just a simple brownish red color. and then I'm outlining it with black liner. I really enjoy doing her makeup, and I enjoy doing mine. I hope you enjoyed it as well, and thanks for watching.